Welcome back to Autoview Pro everyone. I'm your host and today we're diving into something extraordinary, something that redefines how we look at life on the road. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling revolution, a bold new chapter in what travel, comfort, and adventure can look like when wrapped up in an iconic American nameplate. From the very first glance you realize this is more than just another motorhome. It's a fusion of luxury living, smart technology, and purposeful design, all integrated into a single package that seems to blur the line between a high-end condo and a futuristic tour bus. The shape is unmistakable, sculpted with care so it appears strong yet fluid as it cuts across highways or coasts quietly through winding country roads. Chevrolet has taken its design language that fans know and love and stretched it to something grander. A wide stance, flowing aerodynamic curves, and that bold front grille with a seamless LED lighting strip tell you right away that this is not an ordinary RV. Instead, it carries presence. It carries confidence. Those panoramic windows that wrap the sides promise openness, promising views of every sunrise and sunset. The finish glistens whether in glacier silver or midnight black, and subtle details like solar panels integrated into the roofline and the carefully sculpted rear spoiler whisper about efficiency and innovation rather than shouting it. Step inside, and the real magic unfolds. Walking through the wide electronic sliding door feels like stepping into a boutique hotel on wheels. Sunlight floods through those expansive windows, creating an atmosphere that feels less like travel and more like relaxation. The living area is anchored by modular seating upholstered in buttery soft leather. These aren't just seats, they're multi-purpose lounging systems that can be arranged for conversations, transformed into a family dining space, or extended out for a quick nap. At night, when the day winds down, the lighting transitions to soft, warm ambient glows thanks to a full-spectrum LED system. Tap the control panel and suddenly the entire space feels like a high-end lounge. Look up, and hidden neatly in the ceiling, a 55-inch OLED screen glides down at the touch of a button. That transforms the room instantly into your personal movie theater. Whether you're streaming a blockbuster, gaming with friends, or catching up on shows, it's the kind of home entertainment system you'd expect in a luxury loft, not in a vehicle. The kitchen continues the theme of surprise. Forget cramped cooking corners of yesterday's RVs. Here you get yacht-like elegance. Marble-inspired surfaces cover a galley filled with top-tier appliances. There's a flush-mounted induction cooktop, a whisper-quiet convection oven, and a French door stainless refrigerator that looks straight out of a designer apartment. Even the dishwasher tucks away as a drawer system. Storage is not just about shelves, it's smart storage, with compartments that light up and even signal when supplies are running low. There's an integrated smart faucet that can be activated with a wave of your hand, and everything ties into a central digital hub that lets you manage energy use, lighting, temperature, and even order groceries online for your next stop. Slide further back and you arrive at the master suite. A full king-sized memory foam bed dominates the space, with massage zones built in so you can literally end your day with comfort therapy. Subtle lighting beneath the bed frame adds a floating effect, and the space is dressed with materials that can be tailored to your style, whether classic wood and cream upholstery or a modern graphite and carbon finish. Blackout curtains ensure peaceful rest at night, while a retractable TV and side vanities make it feel complete. The bathroom takes things even further. It's no tiny corner with a curtain, it's a spa-inspired sanctuary. There's a porcelain flush toilet, a rainfall shower enclosed in glass with digital temperature settings, even heated floors that take the chill out of morning routines. A ventilation system works quietly in the background, making sure moisture is cleared quickly, while aromatic diffusers subtly keep the air fresh. Of course, a motorhome is not just about what you see inside, it's about what drives the experience. Underneath the sculpted exterior sits a hybrid driveline that marries a twin turbocharged V8 with electric motor assistance. That gives you smooth electric cruising when you want efficiency, and roaring torque when you need to climb mountain grades or tow extra gear. All-wheel drive ensures grip and stability in all conditions, from icy mountain passes to sandy desert tracks. The ride is buttery smooth thanks to adaptive suspension that reads the road and adjusts on the fly. Step into the driver's cockpit and you feel like you're piloting the future. The dashboard is a seamless digital panorama, with dual 14-inch screens providing everything from maps and entertainment to real-time power flow and navigation data. Augmented reality heads-up display projects crucial info right onto the windshield so your eyes never need to leave the road. Software updates arrive over the air, which means the system evolves even after you've driven off the lot. Energy autonomy is a priority, and the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Solar panels across the roof constantly sip power from the sun, feeding into a lithium-ion house battery system that keeps the living quarters humming without a generator's constant drone. Whether you're powering climate control, entertainment systems, or charging laptops, the energy balance feels effortless. Off-grid camping becomes more than a possibility, it becomes a lifestyle. Add to that the rooftop solar expansion option, and weeks off the beaten path become reality. Parking and setup also feel futuristic. A push button deploys hydraulic leveling feet, stabilizing the motorhome within seconds. Surround view cameras provide a 360-degree perspective, making even the tightest campground maneuver feel simple. Driver assist features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping make highway hauls relaxing, while automatic braking and pedestrian detection add layers of safety. Living on the road is about freedom, and Chevrolet thought about every detail. Imagine pulling into a lakeside spot, pressing a button, and watching slide-outs extend smoothly to create a wide-open living space. Step outside under the shade of a self-deploying awning, complete with integrated LED lighting, and you've created a patio in seconds. Acoustic insulation means you enjoy peace indoors even when the world outside is noisy. Smart blinds react to sunlight, gently adjusting to create the perfect interior glow. Air circulation systems whisper quietly, maintaining comfort without intrusion. Connectivity remains uninterrupted with built-in 5G hotspot support, dual-band Wi-Fi, and even satellite options for truly remote exploration. Whether you're working on the go or streaming movies in the wild, the signal remains strong. Maintenance has been simplified too. Onboard diagnostics run constantly in the background and can be monitored through a smartphone app. The system can even send you push notifications about tire pressure, water levels, or suggested service intervals. Replacing filters or adjusting energy settings happens through easy-access exterior panels. Even waste management has been streamlined with self-sealing cartridge-based systems that minimize mess. It's not just a motorhome, it's an intelligent partner for the road. Beyond the physical comforts, what makes this motorhome remarkable is the philosophy behind it. Chevrolet is tapping into the growing culture of mobile living, families, digital nomads, retirees, and adventurers who demand more from the road. This isn't about bare-bones survival travel anymore. It's about creating spaces where you can live full lives, even while constantly on the move. It reimagines the American road trip, blending independence with sophistication. While luxury motorhomes aren't new, Chevrolet's entry into the segment adds an accessible yet aspirational angle, backed by a brand known for resilience and reach. It's bold but familiar, futuristic but grounded. That balance is what makes it potentially game-changing. And here's the part that excites me most: this motorhome invites dreams. Think about the destinations you could reach. Mountain overlooks where the stars flood the sky. Desert camps where silence is broken only by wind. Coastal highways where every morning greets you with ocean spray. With the Chevrolet Motorhome, those aren't just vacations, they can be lifestyles. Plug in your work laptop, cook gourmet dinners, unwind with cinema-level entertainment, and sleep better than you might even at home. That's the power of bringing high-end living into a mobile format. So, Autoview Pro family, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a rolling piece of architecture, a smart ecosystem, and a companion built to push the limits of where comfort and adventure can meet. Whether you're a family seeking new horizons, a couple chasing sunsets, or a solo explorer needing a base camp, this vehicle adapts to you. It's luxurious enough for the most discerning tastes, but rugged enough for the boldest adventures. If you've enjoyed this look at the future of road travel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you never miss a deep dive into the vehicles that are shaping tomorrow. And I want to hear from you. Where would you take the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome if you had the keys? Would you drive it across America's heartland, set up camp deep in the Rockies, or maybe park it by the beaches of the Pacific? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching today's episode of Autoview Pro. As always, drive safe, stay curious, and keep embracing the open road. Until next time, I'll see you out there chasing the horizon.